Kabahay, hanap mo ba ay ready for occupancy, single attached unit at complete finish turnover? Dito lamang yan located in Imus, Cavite, along Aguinaldo Highway and beside SNR Imus. Single attached unit property, complete finish turnover with 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, 1 powder room, kitchen and living area. Meron din tayong lanay area at kaya mag-accommodate ng 2 sasakyan dito sa ating carport. Tara, silipin natin ang ating property. Before entering mga kabahay sa ating property, makikita nyo naman meron tayong wide frontage, meron tayo ditong pedestrian gate, meron na tayong address na naka-emboss, and may doorbell na rin tayo na included, and meron din tayo ditong access papunta sa ating carport area. Welcome mga kabahay dito sa ating property. So as you can see upon entering dito sa porch area, meron tayong landscape tiles sa ating flooring, and meron tayong landscape garden dito sa ating both sides. So, andito naman tayo ngayon sa ating carport which can accommodate 2 cars. And then, nakikita nyo naman po, half-size covered po ang ating carport area. And meron na rin po itong pin light na included sa ating turnover. So, mga kabahay, dito sa ating side, meron tayong setback which is 2 to 3 meters wide, which is ginawa natin to as service area. May provision na dito for water supply and outlet para sa inyong washing machine. And meron tayo ditong side garden. Kasama sa ating turnover ang landscape tiles sa ating flooring, and meron na tayo ditong laundry area. Pasok naman tayo mga kabahay sa ating property. So upon entering, meron tayo ditong staircase and powder room. And then on this side naman is the living area and may access to papunta sa ating lanay area. On this side mga kabahay is the powder room, which has complete fixtures upon turnover. So on this side mga kabahay will be your dining and kitchen area. So meron tayo ditong provision for your refrigerator. Meron na rin tayo ditong included na over and under na built-in cabinets. So upon turnover mga kabahay, included din ang ating gas range sa ating turnover. May provision na rin for microwave. And then this one po is imported kitchen sink. Meron na rin tayo ditong storage na included also sa ating turnover. And bedroom number 1 here at the ground floor. So as you can see mga kabahay, kasya dito ang single to double size bed. Meron tayo ditong sliding window and meron tayong provision for your air condition. Meron din itong sariling toilet and bath and meron dito kasama built-in cabinet which is floor to ceiling. Bedroom number 1, toilet and bath. Complete fixtures with shower enclosure, toilet seat, and lavatory upon turnover. Let's check mga kabahay ang ating second floor. So dito sa ating staircase, meron itong solid wood and meron na rin tayong fixed window, high ceiling. So pwede tayong maglagay ng chandelier dito sa area ng ating staircase. Dito sa ating second floor, meron tayong 2 bedrooms, bedroom 1 and master's bedroom. This is the bedroom number 1 here at the second floor. So as you can see mga kabahay, may proper ventilation dahil meron tayong sliding window and rolling window on the side. May provision for air condition, meron din tayong vanity area and built-in cabinets. So ang kagandahan dito, floor to ceiling ang ating built-in cabinets and meron tayong sariling toilet and bath. Pasok tayo dito mga kabahay sa ating master's bedroom. So dito sa ating master's bedroom, makikita nyo napakalaki ng ating space. Meron tayo dito built-in cabinet, same as other bedrooms. So floor to ceiling din po ang ating built-in cabinets. May vanity area and meron tayo ditong sliding window para sa natural lighting. And ang good thing dito sa ating master's bedroom, meron na rin itong provision for split type aircon and access going to our balcony. This is the master's toilet and bath. So upon entering mga kabahay, meron tayo ditong lavatory, mirror, and bathtub na included sa ating turnover. Ang ating shower area ay may shower enclosure na. Meron tayong toilet seat and bidet. Check naman natin mga kabahay ang ating balcony area. So as you can see dito sa ating balcony area, napakalakas ng hangin dahil napapaligiran pa rin po ng puno ang ating property. Kabahay, nagustuhan mo ba ang ating property featured for today? Tara, tripping na tayo. Just send us a message at 0916-518-4710. This is Bon Tapawan of Exosio Properties, your PRC and this is the accredited salesperson. Thank you for watching.